According to the reports of the World Economic Forum, in the coming years, there will be a paradigm shift in the industries in terms of the technological advancements, automation and climate change. We have introduced some changes in our curriculum, in our technologies, in our labs. Alliance University endeavors to keep in sync with these changes. We are focusing on the sustainable materials. We have Center of Excellence. We have a Makerspace lab. We have a additive manufacturing lab where the students, researchers, they can work in the interdisciplinary field related to electronics, mechanical or other branches of engineering. Right from the first year, we make them to work in a project in the form of a peer learning, in the form of a team, so that their learning capability is enhanced.